In this video, we're going to walk you through several of our vegetation management programs and help you decide which one's best for you. Hi, I'm Nathan Long, Executive Vice President here at Aquatic Control. Well, first things first, why should you listen to us? Well, for starters, we're a family-owned business that's been working in the field of aquatic vegetation management for the past 55 years. We have employees that are industry experts in many aspects of lake management with a combined experience of over 500 years. Our personnel is comprised of certified fisheries scientists, PhD level aquatic toxicologists, aquatic plant scientists, and 39 licensed aquatic plant managers. If you are having a problem with your pond, chances are that we've come across that problem at some point in our past 55 years of business. Most importantly, while we've grown in the last 55 years, our main focus has been on maintaining that small customer service feel that is so lacking this day and age. One of our customers' biggest concerns when it comes to managing their aquatic resource is what to do with problem plants and algae. While we certainly recognize that a limited amount of plants and algae in a pond or a lake is very beneficial to the ecosystem, there are times when human intervention is needed. And oftentimes clients find it very difficult to do this on their own. That's where Aquatic Control comes in. We offer several different programs that are designed to take this worry away from the client. One of our most commonly used programs is our monthly lake maintenance program. This program typically runs from April through September. It includes once a month visits by a trained and licensed applicator. That applicator will check out the pond, see what kind of problems you're having, and treat that vegetation, the nuisance vegetation, with EPA registered aquatic herbicides and algicides. Herbicide selection is based on what types of uses and needs you have for the pond. For example, there are some restrictions on these products where you can't irrigate for a certain amount of time. So if you do use your pond for irrigation, we can adjust our program accordingly to fit your needs. Our monthly programs are designed for lakes and ponds that have moderate algae problems. You can add lake dye to these programs, even emergent vegetation treatment. The program just includes algae and submerged treatment. We like to leave as much emergent vegetation for fish cover as our client can handle. But we do understand that you might want to open up some areas of emergent vegetation. Also, you can add water quality testing or even nutrient reduction applications. Oftentimes these nutrients are causing a lot of this algae growth, and there are products that we can use that will help reduce the amount of nutrients in your lake or pond. We have found that the monthly program doesn't fit everyone's needs. Oftentimes we run into lakes or ponds that are just in really bad shape, and these require a little bit more work. So we do offer a program called the Clean Lake Maintenance Program. With this type of program, we're on site every other week throughout the growing season, typically April through September. And the kicker here is we do guarantee control, so if you have any regrowth in between those every other week treatments, we will come back and take care of it. While the maintenance program might be best for some, we realize that not all folks need or desire to have someone on their property every other week during the growing season. We can customize any type of program around your needs or your budget. For example, you might just have a small area of weeds growing around your dock that you want controlled, where we might only need to come out once or twice a year. Or you may have a patch of cattails in the upper end of your pond, or a duckweed problem. Some of these don't require season-long maintenance to take care of. So the main thing to keep in mind is if you are having vegetation issues in your pond, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We can figure out a program that best meets your needs and fits your budget. So are you ready to get started? If so, give us a call at 800-753-LAKE or complete the free consultation form at aquaticcontrol.com.